welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and I am the owner of Love You Candle Company, and I am so happy to be here and share my journey with you guys regarding candle making. I'm going to give you a short little story of how I started. Basically, I suffer from anxiety, very severe anxiety, and it does overtake me at times, and I was looking for some therapy, something that I could do that could make me feel better and can be therapeutical. And it just so happens that upon researching, I looked at find a hobby, find a craft, something that you make with your hands that you can utilize for therapy. And I was like, this is interesting. So I came across candle making. Let me tell you, it has been such a rewarding experience. It's been so amazing. This journey is unbelievable, and I honestly love making candles. So this video, I wanted to start by thanking all of you watching. If you're already a candle maker, if you're a newbie, if you're just curious, whatever it is, welcome. And I'm so happy to share this with you. So first of all, if you are thinking about making candles, you have already done your research. You know that candle making is not as easy as just pouring wax in a container. What you want to do is that you definitely want to start with a candle making kit, and this is what this video is about. I'm going to do an unboxing experience with a candle making kit. My best advice to you is purchase a candle making kit. Why? A candle making kit is going to include everything that you need to be able to make a candle. And also it's going to come with very simple directions. And it's also going to let you know and feel out if candle making is for you. If it's something that you do see yourself doing long-term as a business, as a hobby, to just, make candles for friends and family, because candles can be pretty expensive. So whatever your reason is, I want to walk you through what comes in a candle making kit. So right now during the pandemic, a lot of people have started making candles, and candle making kits are pretty much sold out in a lot of the major suppliers. I was able to find a candle making kit from one of the suppliers, and they're called Pro Candle Supply. So let me stop chit-chatting and then let's begin. The kit that I purchased cost me $64 from Pro Candle Supply, and it comes with 3 pounds. And let me show you the 3 bags. It comes with 3 pounds of natural soy wax. Okay, so it's 3 of these bags. It also comes with 8 candle tins, and these are metal. Per the instructions, which I'm gonna go over with you guys, per the instructions, this is 8 ounce, but it's only gonna fill up to 6 ounces, which is like this line that's right here. The kit comes with 4 pre-selected fragrances, which I'm gonna go over with you. Let me tell you guys something. The most exciting part about making candles, the fragrances. Guys, the fragrances. It is so fun smelling, selecting. It's like the peak of the experience, if you will. Okay, so each of these bottles, it's 1 ounce, and you get 4. And like I said, they're pre-selected. So the first fragrance is called Clean Cotton. And what I tend to do is I don't smell directly in the bottle. I usually smell the cap. It does smell like cotton, but it smells like laundry detergent cotton. If it's the Tide or the Snuggles, it's okay. I'm not crazy about it, but then again, I'm not crazy about like the linen scents. Cotton is not a scent I'm crazy about. But if you are, it's okay. The next one is Lavender. Ooh, this is a good lavender. You know how sometimes lavender can be very like a punch in the face, because sometimes it can be very strong? This one's really good. This lavender is very, very good. Now, the third one is Egyptian Amber. Oh, wow. This reminds me of when I used to work at this department store in the mall. It has a very masculine smell to it. I love it. Definitely, definitely going to purchase this scent. I love this one. Again, that's Egyptian amber. And the last one is Honeysuckle Jasmine. Okay, It's too strong. It smells very flowery but strong, kind of like the peony. Yeah, this scent is not for me. I'm not saying it's like, oh my god, it's hideous. Another thing, sidebar. When you're making candles, you have to realize that you're not just making candles for yourself. You're making candles for your consumers. So you can't just be stuck in the scents that you like. You have to be very open-minded, and that's why there's a lot of testing, and you want to bring friends and family and involve them so they can be your second, third, fourth opinion, because if they're a person that they like strong scents, flowery scents, they're gonna be your guide to saying, yes, that's amazing, or no, that's not amazing. So Honeysuckle Jasmine is not a scent that I would personally use, but I can see other people liking it and using it because it's not too strong. So those are the 4 1-ounce fragrances. The next thing that comes in the kit is this thermometer. It's handy deep fried thermometer. So I'll be very honest. I don't use these thermometers because I'm blind. Right now I'm wearing contacts. And I don't like looking at numbers, like squinting. At times I'm looking to see at the temperature. I personally purchased a digital one from Amazon. That's the best one. I use it, it's so easy. But the kit does come with this. What I am impressed is I didn't think the thermometer was gonna be this big. It's actually pretty long. I don't know the measurements. It comes with this little hook, if you see here. And this little hook, what you're gonna do with the next item I'm gonna show you, is you can clip it on and leave it there so you can keep an eye on the temperature of your wax. So the thermometer also comes with it. Now the next thing that comes with, it's the metal pour pot. This is very important because this is what you're gonna use to melt your wax. So like I was explaining before, this little clip, you're gonna clip it on to this part of the pot. And when it's like this, you're gonna be able to see the temperature as it starts getting warmer and warmer. So this pot is very important. You do wanna buy a bigger one. This is pretty small and, you know, hence it comes with the kit. There's another one. The one that I have is bigger. I don't remember the size, sorry. I will link it later, what's the size that I have. But it is taller and it will fit about 1 pound of wax very comfortably. This is your pot, like I said, and this is very important. This is a must. You must have this. Next thing that comes in the kit, the pre-tabbed wicks. These are size 8 Eco 14 from Pro Candle Supply. Every supplier has their names for the wicks, and it's a lot. Wick is a whole nother topic, which I'll make a separate video of that. But wick, selecting the right wick for your wax and your containers are very important. So these, as you can see, already come pre-tabbed, and they also send you, these are the Wig stickers, that what you do is that you grab these stickers and you're gonna stick them to the bottom of the wick, and that is what you're gonna use to secure your wick. I don't know if you guys can see it. Bear with me here. To secure your wick in the center, so it sticks. I've seen some people use a hot glue gun to stick it. I really don't like to mess with that. I just rather use a sticker. They're pretty good, very sturdy. You don't need to do anything else, and it's less work. And then it comes with only 2 metal bow ties. So you have to keep this in mind because each bow tie is for 1 tin. And what happens is that when you put the candle here, you need to put the bow tie, because the bow tie is what will keep your candle centered. And then there's like a little click here that you just push the candle, and it's like a secure way of just keeping your candle centered. So keep in mind that this kit only brings 2. There are other kits out there that do give you a better deal because they do provide more metal bow clips. The ones that I personally use, they're clips, they're like clamps. I'll show you guys in another video. But just keep in mind that with the kit, you do have to purchase additional bows. You can even use 2 pencils. I've seen people use 2 pencils and they lay them across, and the 2 pencils just secure the wick, if you can see right there. So I think for the value, $64 plus tax plus shipping, it let me down the fact that it only comes with 2. It should at least came with like 4, only because they are sending you 8 tins. So at least half of the amount of the tins, you know, at least 2 more of these would have been great. But, you know, I don't know why they don't. So just so you know, it does come with this instruction manual. It's printed, nothing fancy, just very clear. If you can see here, Pro Supply. Soy candle making kit. It includes everything here, all the list of everything. Tells you what you will also need before you even start making the candles. Additionally, you will need stirring utensils. I personally use bamboo sticks. They're so much easier. They're very cheap. I just love them. I personally hate the sound of metal with metal. It's like, to me, it's like nails on a chalk. So that's why I chose bamboo, because you can't hear that metal to metal. Some people use wooden spoons, whatever it is, I just don't like it. You're also going to need what's not included: a hot plate, a double boiler, microwave. I've never used a microwave. I choose not to because it's a little bit harder to test the temperature of your wax. And a kitchen scale, which you're gonna use the pot on the kitchen scale, and it's gonna help you weigh. You need it. There's no way going around it. You need a kitchen scale. The directions are here. Then on the 3rd page, it tells you how to calculate how much fragrance oil you need. Guys, this is a very important part of making candles. Making candles is math and science. If you're good at math and you're good at science, you're gonna blow this out the door. But if you're like me, that math is not your subject, science isn't either, it's gonna take a little bit of trials and tribulations, a lot of testing for you to get it right. So this basically right here is an example. And then it comes in these calculations. It says fragrance calculations. If you're trying to put 6% of fragrance oil, 7% of fragrance oil, 8% of fragrance oil, and 9% of fragrance oil. Fragrance oil percentage, that's going to be a different video as well, because that is a lot of explanation to do and it's a lot of breakdown. So I'm not going to do it in this video. In the meantime, since I'm just starting my channel also, you can also go to other YouTubers that they're great at explaining the fragrance oil calculations. And then it comes with the last page that says start your own candle making business. And I'm gonna read this to you really quick. Thanks so much for your candle making kit purchase. If you're interested in learning more about starting your own candle business, check out candle making business course at the link below and enjoy 50% discount on it. The course is a learn at your own pace, step-by-step course that contains video and text modules that you can access at any time. They give you the link and they tell you what you're gonna learn, and they give you a 50% promo code. Guys, personally, I would not do the course. Why? Because there's no better academy like YouTube Academy. I'm not even joking. I learned everything that I know from YouTube. I promise you, everything that I know, I learned it from YouTube, doing my research, calling the suppliers, asking questions. Don't be scared to call suppliers. They're very nice, very friendly. They will answer your questions. Why? Because they want you to buy from them. With that being said, that wraps up this first video. I am so excited. If you are a newbie or if you're curious, this is the year to start your business. 2020, even this pandemic, this is the year to start your business. I am a person that friends, family, my ears light up when they're like, I want to start my business. What should I do? What should I do? I'll be making more videos about business, being an entrepreneur. It's not going to solely focus on making candles. Obviously, a lot of my videos will be about making candles because this is my passion at the time and it is my business. But I'm also going to sidetrack and go into others because not everybody that's going to be watching my channel is gonna want to make candles. But I do have a lot of knowledge. I do have other businesses that I have opened, and I've been an entrepreneur since 2014. Last 6 years, I'm super excited. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, turn on the notification, hit the like button, and comment below any questions that you may have. I will be glad to connect with you guys. I'm also going to include my Instagram so you guys can follow me. You can DM me, answer questions. A lot of my followers always know I love, love, love interacting and connecting with you guys. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.